Today is Wednesday, 23rd, 2025, and you're looking at MLB Game Data here. As I click around, you can see that the data is changing here in this primary window here. Let me make it bigger, make the screen a bit bigger. And you'll see that these data sets are moving around based on these clicks here, and these clicks here are essentially coming out of the data bucket of an S3, talking to DynamoDB, and how this relational game data is put together is with this Calendar Snack app. This Calendar Snack app is talking to the AWS Calendar Invite Server, and that is what we're ultimately selling here. This is a package solution in a full stack for AWS. That means you download the AWS Calendar Invite Server, install it in your account, and use AWS Simple Email Service as the backbone to send calendar invites. Now today is just a simple demo based on some data that's loaded here for the 23rd. You see it there. We're going to go into some game data here, and the way we go into game data live is I just paint a screen here for this demo, and you'll see this data here changing down below in a real-time visualization engine. And this real-time engine generates an upcoming landing page, in particular for this data set for the MLB. Now, when I pull back the screen here like an accordion, you'll see that in the upper right-hand corner, I have an email box that is Zach at TechVader. And Zach's going to pretend he got shared this landing page, and this landing page has a self-generated upcoming event page you just saw me generate through 2 clicks of a button, and you'll see that there's game data here loaded in. So what happens here when Zach clicks this button here, get the invite, he actually gets a calendar invitation for a game. He's already been sent these first 2. You'll see Nationals versus Reds, and then Marlins versus Padres. Those 2 have already been sent to him. We won't do those 2. We'll just scroll down here in demo space and send him a calendar invite for Marlins versus Padres. No, we don't want that one. We're going to do Braves. Okay, so we'll just send one, keep the demo simple. I'm going to send Zach a calendar invite pretending he got this shareable page. He wants to go to the game. There it is here on his calendar, and you're probably saying, big deal, I just sent a calendar invite. Well, here's the cool part. We actually track all this data. How do we do that? Well, our data engine is talking to the front end, and we do some really cool stuff with the data here for calendar invites at scale. Nobody does this. We're the only people that have figured this out, and that's what I'm here to demo. So as I get into get reports, how would I get a report here with all this data? I would actually go down to upcoming events. I would reflash this page here to just reset data. And under upcoming events, you'll see I got that many coming up here. I'm going to click here to 23rd, and I'm going to go look for the Braves. And as I scroll down in this data bucket here that's parsed in DynamoDB and S3, I'm looking for the Braves. Now, what I can do too in all this data is we got a quick little search head here. So there's the Braves for today, 23rd. Take a peek. We've sent out one calendar invite. That was to Zach. You saw that here. And when I look at it here, it was for round 18. Confirm it was for round 18. Now, you'll see that he is tentative here. So let me just change it. And you'll see when I reflash this data here, we're talking to the API gateway, and we're updating these calendar receipts at scale. That means millions of calendar receipts can be collected by the AWS Calendar Invite engine. And that data is very important in that marketers can update and send updated calendar invites based on how the sentiment is going here for the calendar receipts. You'll see that the yes turned to a yes here under accepted, and then if I go to one more declined, you'll see that the data here is now collected in the Calendar Invite Server by us here at 31 events, and you'll see that Zach has declined. That's the end of the demo. Thanks for stopping by.